and today we just made the trip down to Atoka, Oklahoma to meet Dallas Performance Halfway with Boost Stables twin turbo Huracan. So he's right in front of me now. He just went past me as I threw on the camera, but we're trying to keep it at a low speed, pace ourselves, but we got about a 2-hour drive back to Tulsa. Great opportunity to get some rolling shots of this beautiful blue Huracan with the twin turbo. So let's check it out. Look at that. Let's see if we can hear it. Coming in, I should open both windows, but you can hear those turbos turning up, so we'll get a good look at it here in a minute, but we've got quite a ways to go, so I'll get some more shots as we roll. Stick around. Okay, Lambros, we're behind the Boost stable. Oh, and there's a popo. And we were just about to, where was that guy? We must, like, we've literally been driving like 78 miles an hour for, I can't even tell you how long, how many miles we've been going. And then as soon as, like, I think he's about to step on it, I think I'm at 87 right now, so, in a 75. So as soon as we're about to step on it, there's radar going off. So I don't know if we passed somebody or what happened, but we're making our way home. We're like almost there, so I wanted to get some more shots of this car because it's a beauty. So hopefully he'll get over and we can see that booty. Come on, booty. But we've been pretty good. We've been being some good kids. We haven't been racing or driving fast or anything. So we're making some plans. Hold on, he's rolling down the window here. He wants to give me a... Let's see what he thinks. Seriously though, like right when we step on it, right when we have stepped on it, it's like a cop right there. So he's getting some GoPro video. What I'm going to do next, that's my next upgrade, is I'm going to get the GoPro on the dash facing me so you can see, and maybe one on my head so you can have like a driver's point of view video. This way you can crash if you hold this big old camera in front of your face the whole time. So, you can hear that thing winding up, bro. Oh man, winding up. I'll tell you what, we did a couple little pumps like where we got on it, and that thing's far and above. I think it's probably more than double the horsepower of my car, and that's a popo. Good thing we're literally doing 77. Like we are not even speeding. He's pointing at something. I didn't see where that... Oh, he's right there. Dang, he was hiding, bro. That was a good hiding spot, officer. Haha. Dude, he's like straight up behind those barrels. All right, Highway Patrol, good job. Hey, we have not been speeding. You saw that. But it slows down to like 45 through here, so... But we have not been speeding at all. We were maybe going like 7, 8, 10 miles an hour over, and that was it. So you didn't get us because we were not speeding. So, but come meet me, please. I want to meet that Highway Patrol as well. So anyway, so we're going through. I think we're heading through Okmulgee right now. So we get up here, maybe we'll stop or something, and if not, headed to White Glove. and we'll be at White Glove to get some additional stickers added to both of these cars for Tulsa Street Car Takeover, which is tonight, so stick around. We've made it to Street Car Takeover. I won't be able to use any of this sound, but we'll get a thumbnail. Can you guys post for my thumbnail for YouTube? Thumbnail. If everybody can get in there. To Streetcar Takeover, I had to go like way far away because they're jamming music, and YouTube will nail me for like non-royalty free music. So, but we got the whole crew here. We got Boost Stable and the twin turbo Huracan we just brought up from Dallas. Ryan just showed up in the GTR. Gran Turismo racers are everywhere with a little crew right there, and we got quite a good show. We got a good group, so I'll try to get some video of all the cars, but I'm gonna do it and kill the sound going forward because, you know, there's a lot of music, so I'll have to drown out what you can hear right now, actually. So anyway, stick around. Tonight it's just hanging out at Twin Peaks, so a lot of girls in bikinis, and tomorrow roll racing down at the Midnight Drag, so we'll get it both later. Showed up, so I'm gonna get a you know, some video of this thing, but they're turning the music back on, so I gotta shut it off. But here in a second, I'll after Freddie leaves, we're gonna get some video of the Euro, so hold tight. Hey Lambros, we just left Twin Peaks. Gosh, it was loud there, but we're taking all the Lambros, the exotic crew. We're heading to eat dinner, so when we get there, we actually picked up a guy with the Urus, Derek, and when we get there I'll get video of all of them. We'll have a nice parking lot without music jamming, but in the meantime we're all hauling up Memorial. Here you go. Got the colors of the rainbow. Got what? It goes green, black, blue, yellow. So we'll be back in a minute. Oh, and there's some blue and purple. Okay, boys and girls, we made it to Bravos. I think Jordan is en route, or Junior, and Boosted got here, and the Urus, and we've got the SLR McLaren SLR, or Mercedes, whatever the heck you want to call it. So Boosted's getting crazy. Look at this black Gallardo. We've seen this before. Omar buys cars. See this guy? He buys cars. And look at this sweet baby. Can I open this?
Yeah. Poor Lambo, put your doors up, bitches.
Say that again. Say it again. Yeah. He doesn't want to be on camera. He said 4 Lambros, put your doors up. Beep. All right. Miko, and then he put his doors up. The one who has doors that go up. Look at this thing. Look at this hot sauce. We've seen one of these before, but they're still pretty hot. Hot to trot. Love the stitching, all those hexagons, or whatever you want to call them. They have 6 sides.
I know, I heard.
Saying it's hot, 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 but we're gonna go eat and then we'll be back. Doing some dyno over here. I found a spot where the radio is not blaring, so we can actually film. But they're throwing quite a few Mustangs. There was just another Mustang that put up 700 or 800 horsepower. There was a Hellcat that did 750. So they're loading them up. So this place is starting to get pretty crazy. I'm trying to stay away from where all the music is. So we'll be back. Car Takeover in the Fire truck is here. Not sure why. And they have someone in a car. I don't really know what's going on, Omar, do you?
No clue.
We're with the news channel, and we need to get some information out to the public. So I don't know, they're at someone's door, and the ambulance is coming around. So we want to be very respectful of whoever that is, privacy. So we'll definitely blur out all the blood. What do you think's going on? What do you think's going on?
I'm gonna say someone got drunk, can't handle it.
Got hammered?
Yeah, and they're throwing up all over themselves.
And they think they have alcohol poisoning.
They saw Lambro Steve, and it was
They
too
saw
much.
Lambro Steve,
They
and
passed
it was just
out.
too much and passed out.
They have out. Why don't we have a
Why
scanner?
Are you copying everything that I'm saying, bro?
I was just agreeing.
Say it again.
my God.
Keep copying.
One more time.
It's just Urus drivers, they copy everybody else.
Oh, cool. Anything you got to say?
Anything you gotta say?
I don't drive a Urus.
I don't drive a Urus. But I drive a Urus.
I'm on a Civic.
It's his dad's Civic though. So, yeah. So the engine got here. Look at this engine. So I don't really know what's going on, but maybe we'll interview the cops here in a minute and find out. Bros, we are at Street Car Takeover. It's in the evening, and the only action that we found is there is a guy in a big, I don't know what this thing is, like a Ford Expedition or something, that rolled over the top of this lowrider. So I want to get it, show you what happened here.
Yeah, we're gonna take the Sawzall right here and put a little water on it. It's brand new again.
Oh snap! That sucks. That's the culprit. You can see where it hit, huh? He was like, I can power through this.
Look at
this thing, it's beautiful. All red interior.
Bad to the bone.
Drop to the ground. And ow. It hit that hard. This is solid metal too.
Man.
The Impala, he didn't get the Impala emblem. Too bad. How did you see it happen?
With that fucking camera.
Hey, you're gonna be insta famous, bro. I don't even know who that guy is. I better get a waiver from him. So I don't know what's about to happen, but I think they called the cops, and the guy's like afraid to get out the car. So we'll see what happens. Just talked to the owner. Apparently, the guy in the black Ford Explorer Expedition, whatever this is here, literally just started pulling out and caught his side step on his car and just kept going, like just trying to power through it. So that'll be fun. I don't know if the cops are coming or what they're gonna do, but they're just getting his insurance and handling it. So what's up, bro? So anyway, that was the action for tonight. I don't know what else is going to happen, but stick around. We might see some fun stuff. Okay, Lambros, that's the end of Street Car Takeover. I just dropped my car off at White Glove. We'll be back in the morning at 7:30 to get new decals for the Lambo. But the Lambo got put up. We got the Lexus back. I forgot what I had here. And check it out. Turned out pretty good. In fact, we did the darker tint all the way around, and then I did, so it's, let me turn this off. I did 15% on the sides and back, and then it's actually a heat shield barrier on the windshield, and then obviously we, bam, put Lambros on there. But I think that we're gonna do some more decals on this that say like film crew or something like that, so that whenever that one's running around, everybody's thinking that I'm filming for Lambros. So we'll see. We're going to be there tomorrow. We'll do some planning. But thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, turn on notifications. Tomorrow we're going to Street Car Takeover to the races, and maybe we'll see Boost Stable kick some butt on the track on the roll races. Later. Okay.